Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the logarithmic differentiation exercise 5.5 some problems. Okay, some other problems. See, find the dy by dx of the following. Same. Find the dy by dx. Dy by dx find it one. So question number 12. Question number 12. See, x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equals to 1. X to the power of y to the power of x is equals to 1. Okay. If the question is like this, how to calculate the dy by dx? Okay, na? So my dear students, so we can't directly do the dy by dx. Directly differentiation madakagala. We can't do the directly differentiation. How to do this one means separately you have to take. In last video already told you uv and the same you have to consider like this. So first one, let u is equals to x to the power of y. U is equals to x to the power of y. Okay, na? Apply the log both sides. Log u is equals to log x to the power of y. Log x to the power of y. So according to the property of the logarithms, y will becomes a coefficient now. So therefore log u is equals to y log x. Okay, y log x. See, y log x. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate. Differentiate what is the log u? D by dx of log u. Directly I am writing. So 1 by u du by dx. Okay. Next. So uv formula. F of x into g of x. There are two functions. Y first function, second function log x. Tell me. First function keep it same only by into d by dx of log x. D by dx of log x plus log x into dy by dx. Why? Because y no d by dx of y over. Next, so du by dx is equals to u into u na side respectively u into y into d by dx of log x 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. Okay, na? So like that you have to calculate. Okay, u substitute u. Okay, see. So therefore du by dx is equals to u value x to the power of y. So therefore x to the power of y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. First one is over now. Next we will move to the next one. See, next one is given. Okay, what is the second one? Y power x. Okay, so second one, let v is equals to y power x. Okay, now apply the log v is equals to log y power x. Okay, na? So according to the property of log, x will become a coefficient now. So therefore log v is equals to x log y. Differentiate. Okay, differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by v dv by dx. So many times told now again to know it to tell. Log v 1 by v dv by dx. uv functionality again of x directly x d by dx of log y 1 by y ಮತ್ತೆ y ಇರ್ತಾರ y ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dy by dx plus ಮತ್ತೆ log y into x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dx by dx 1 leave it. Okay, so this is the process. So therefore what is the dv by dx is equal to okay x by y v into x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay, next dv by dx is equal to what is v? y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು? u plus v is equals to 1. ನೋಡಿ, this is u this is b plus 1 is equals to 1 is equals to 1. Differentiate. Okay, du by dx plus dv by dx is equals to 0. Why 0? d by dx of 1 constant not 0. du by dx substitute ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. du by dx ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? du by dx equals to minus dv by dx ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ du by dx ಇದೆ, dv by dx ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. what is that du by dx is what? X to the power of y into x to the power of y into y by x plus x to the power of y into x to the power of y into log x to the power of y into log x into dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to this side implies du by dx minus dv by dx ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? minus dv by dx ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ, so minus of y power x into x by y dy by dx. Okay, next minus y power x log y. Okay, so like that you have to write y power x into log. Okay na? So we will simplify now. See. So I will write here. See. Okay na? So x power y dy by dx dy by dx. So x to the power of y dy by dx common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ dy by dx into x power y log x log x. Okay, plus ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y power x into x by y y power x into x by y. Okay, first one is over. Next we will go to the next is equals to so minus is there na, this one ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore x to the power of y by x x to the power of y by x minus both are minus no minus y power x log. So this is the answer. Okay, so simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equals to x power y log x plus it is y power x into y power 1 ಅಂತರ ಇದೆ. y power x y power 1. So therefore y power x minus 1 ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ into x is equals to ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ y minus y into x power. Okay, minus is equals to ನೋಡಿ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x power y x power 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x power y minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ minus y into x power y minus 1 minus y power x into log power. So minus common dy by dx is equals to x power y log x minus plus y power x minus 1 into x all divided by minus sorry first write down this one. So minus common is y into x power minus y minus 1 plus y power x log y all divided by x power y once again. Okay na? So minus common ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ವಿ minus. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. So this is the answer. Very somewhat difficult. Had to understood, that's it. Okay, next we will move to the next next question number 13. So next question number 30. Question number 30. Y power x is equals to x power y. Y power x is equals to x power y. So this is separate is there, no? So we can directly apply the law. ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಲಾಗ್ y ಪವರ್ x is equals to log x ಪವರ್ y. ಅಪ್ಲೈ x log y is equals to y log x. Okay, now differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. Okay na? uv ಎರಡು same. Okay, x into d by dx of log y, okay, plus log y into dx by dx is equals to, okay, next this one, y into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of y. Now we can easily find out the dy by dx. X, dy by dx of log y is what? 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into dx cancel as 1 negative. Next, y into dy by dx of log x, 1 by x plus, so log x into dy by dx. Okay na? So this is the procedure you have to follow. Next, here. Now here see dy by dx illondu dy by dx illa ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ dy by dx is equal to into, so x by y minus log x ನ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus log x ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, so minus log x is equals to and what is there, y by x into y by x ಇದೆ, y by x minus log y, if log y plus it becomes minus log y. So this is the answer. This is equal. So therefore dy by dx is equals to simplified x by y minus right on this one first y by LCM ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ once again dy by dx into x, what is LCM, y na, y LCM ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, y x minus y log x is equals to this one, x LCM y minus x log y is equal. So again dy by dx is equals to, okay, dy by dx is equals to, see once again answer, dy by dx is equals to ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, so ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore y minus x log y divided by x into ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y divided by x minus y log x. So this is the answer, y log x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so my dear students, this is somewhat difficult. Okay, so my dear students, you have to do this one as a homework. Already so many problems done. So how to do this one I will tell you. Example 33, find dy by dx if the function is like this, y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equals to a power b. Okay, let us consider the first function as u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. already y power x ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ last video ನೋಡಿ, same had to do. x power y already done, this is also done. Okay, separately b equals x to the power of ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, log apply ಮಾಡಿ, find dv by dx du by dx, first one du by dx, second one. Okay, but in this problem we have to consider second. Next inna one function w ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, w or omega, w ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x power x w ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, w is equals to x power x. So again simplify dw by dx, same log apply ಮಾಡಿ. So what is the d by dx of a power b? A is constant, b is constant. A power b is also constant. So therefore d by dx of a power b equals to 0. No need to do directly ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 0. So u plus v plus w is equals to 0. ಸರಿ a power b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ du by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ dv by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ dw by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equals to 0. So substitute all the values du by dx ಎಲ್ಲ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you can easily find out the dy by dx. Okay na? So textbook page number 176 ಒಳಗಿದೆ. So go through that example 30. Very easy problem, but lengthy problem. Okay, my dear students, see next we move to the next question. Have to do the homework. Example 33. Okay, so my dear students, have to do this one also homework. Okay, same procedure today. I will tell you how to do this one. Have to find the dy by dx. Cos x to the power of y is equals to cos y to the power of x. Okay, apply log both sides. Log and apply ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x will becomes a coefficient, y will becomes a coefficient. So y is equals to log of cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equals to x into log of cos y. So apply uv formula. This is the first function, this is total second function, first function, second function. Apply the uv functionality. F of x into g of x is there now. Okay, so many times told. So according to that one, you have to simplify. Okay, find the dy by dx. Okay, so very easy problem. Solve this. This is also homework. Question number 14. Next, question number 15. Question number 15. See, question number. How to find the dy by dx? My dear students, see. xy is equals to e power x minus y. xy is equals to e power x minus y. Okay. So first apply the log first apply ಮಾಡಿ. Okay na? log xy is equals to log e power x minus y. log e power x minus y. So ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log e ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ already told. So exponential log. So here also e. Okay, log xy, what is the formula? Log x plus log y. Okay, log x plus log y is equals to here coefficient is there, x minus y will becomes the coefficient. Power is there now. ಇದು coefficient ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x minus y into log e base e. So log e base e, what is the formula? ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is another formula is there. log e base e, log a base e, log m base m. So all values are 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is 1. Now log x plus log y is equal to x minus 1. Like that, first we have to simplify by using the logarithms. Okay, logarithmic functions. Now differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x differentiation ಮಾಡೋಣ. Tell me, d by dx of log x plus log y is equals to d by dx of x minus 1. d by dx of x minus 1. Okay na? Simplify. d by dx of log x directly 1 by x plus d by dx of log y 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x dx by dx 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 1 minus d by dx of y dy by dx. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು dy by dx ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು dy by dx ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋಣ. So dy by dx common, dy by dx into 1 by y okay minus, so plus it will become plus. Why? Because dy by dx is there na, this side ಬಂದ್ರೆ plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So plus 1 into dy by dx plus dy by dx ಆಗುತ್ತಾ is equals to, it will becomes 1 is there 1 minus 1 by x, this side ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x minus 1 by x. Understood or not? Like that we have to simplify. Understood or not? dy by dx, here dy by dx is there na, dy by dx common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 by y dy by dx is equal to plus dy by dx ಆಗುತ್ತಾ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 is equals to 1 already there 1 right on here 1 by x is there now 1 by x minus 1 by x simplify okay simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ dy by dx into dy by dx into what is the LCM tell me y okay is 1 plus y is equal to x LCM here x is equal to x minus 1 over so idu side left hand side adre it will becomes change agutte okay so dy by dx is equals to what x minus 1 divided by x into ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ y ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus y ಕೆಳಗಡೆ so y divided by 1 plus y divided by 1 plus ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಂಬಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಂಬಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಓಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ವೈ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 by x ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ವೈ 1 by y again differentiation dy by dx understood or not dy by dx of e power x power ಒಳಗೆ x term y term ಇದ್ರೆ have to use the log ಅಂತ otherwise 3 terms 4 terms ಇದ್ರೆ multiplication is there you have to use the log these are the two techniques okay have to follow okay in main examination they won't give this is logarithmic this is implicit this is inverse trigonometric function they won't give like this generally they are giving the function differentiate otherwise find dy by dx ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ so my dear students be careful so learn the things and tricks also okay so if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel if you have any doubt so comment below this video otherwise through WhatsApp you can communicate thank you my dear students